guys, welcome to CRNT Designers. Chetan here. In this tutorial we are going to learn to make pipes with a faster and easier technique. Recently we have launched hard surface kit in very affordable price, so you can learn hard surface topology in the production and you can use these models in your work. So please check that hard surface kit and link is in the description. So now let's get started.
To create a pipe, add a torus and measure segment should be 12. Like this. Then you need to turn on the X-ray mode and then delete these words and you will get this kind of shape. So shift D to duplicate and press P to selection and then rotate it into the 90 degree. So you got this kind of shape, jointer shape for your pipes. And now you need to build the structure of the pipe. And you will get the help of these pieces. Just rotate this piece and start and build the structure.
Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.